I forgot how to do that. Cracky, mate. Where are we? Oh, of course. Now I remember. We're definitely not in Antarctica. Probably somewhere in South America, Africa, or the tropical islands of Australia and Southeast Asia. For a gorilla, you're pretty intelligent, mate. At latitude 23.5 degrees and 23.5 degrees south, also known as the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, many tropical rainforests can be found. How about that weather, mate? The temperatures in the tropics are normally very high, averaging 21 to 30 degrees Celsius or 70 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm pretty sure, don't quote me on this, but it rains about 80 to 400 inches annually here. Funny joke, mate. It's very Morse here, I gotta say. The rainforests also have layers. Oh crap, wait, I said you're lying. Isn't the emergent layer, like, where trees are as tall as like 60 meters and or 200? Girl. Cracky, ain't that a bit high? Lots of fruit grows in that layer, and it has the highest number of animals living there than any other layer. Most of the animals down here take advantage of their darkness to camouflage. Down there is inhabited by decomposers, insects, and ground-dwelling animals that feast on bugs. There are also around 40,000 plant species, nearly 1,300 bird species, 3,000 types of fish, 427 species of mammals, and 2.5 million different insects. Like, heaps and heaps of animals. Like, alright, Mio Cabo, what's next? Oh yeah. Humans love destruction. Before we started destroying forests, they covered 15% of the earth. Now they only cover about 6%. Oil and chemical spills, logging, mining, hydroelectric dams, and cattle grazing are some of the major problems that these tropical rainforests face. We humans can sometimes get a little too greedy. Like what? Well, both would most likely result in the extinction of several species. Many rely on the amount of rainfall in the rainforest. And the other species that are food for others, like the other species are food for others, so when one species goes, then many follow. Oh, yeah. Luckily we're here, acting as the protectors of this here forest and the animals that live in it. Well, there are over several organizations working to protect it. There's the Rainforest Conservation Fund. There are a popular organization that will go to great lengths to protect this biome we all know and love. They're also called RCF. They work with local people and governments to promote conservation and provide alternatives to environmentally destructive practices. They also work with the villagers to practice sustainable agriculture and to develop income sources to decrease the need to extract resources located in the tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforests are rich with life, but if something were to happen to it, the secondary succession would most likely take place, because soil would most likely still be present, therefore it'd be secondary succession. Yes. It even produces 40% of the world's oxygen and is responsible for stabilizing the climate of the Earth when it absorbs large amounts of carbon dioxide. Oh, yeah, the tropical rainforests are bloody important. And this video was bloody educational, don't you think, Gorilla Guy? Oi, mate, how's it going?
Hey Jackson, who's that?
Wait, it ain't you?
No, this is me.
Then who's that?
Oh god, we gotta run!
Oh, crap! Oi, mate, it's Kahoot time! Get your Chromebooks out and get ready for the Kahoot theme song!
Oh my lord.
I don't know if that's gonna be good.